Thank you. Welcome to everyone in our presentation. We are going to present our project, which is land surface classification with Landsat data. This project is from PMI. I'm Jeannine. I'm going to present with Englebert. As I said, I'm Jeannine and Englebert. I'm Rwandan. I have background in mathematics, data science, and machine learning. I have worked at Rwanda Environmental Management Authority and at MSTTP as data analyst. Welcome to my teammate to introduce himself. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeannine. I'm Englebert from Cameroon. I have a background in mathematics, data science, machine learning, and deep learning. I have worked as research trainer at SAT Solution. Thank you, Jeannine.
Okay, thank you. About our company, PMI, is a Philip Morris International, which is American company and is a cigarette and tobacco manufacturing company. This company has some mission like fighting against illegal cigarette trade, and also they have to replace a normal cigarette with smoke-free. And through that, they are proud to support the community where they source tobacco. About the problem statement of our project is to classify a different region on the geographical land surface. The study area we have is Malawi and Mozambique. The tools and methods we are using in this project, we have the main tool, which is Python, and also we are using Google Earth Engine to collect the data, and we are using the QGIS to analyze and visualize the spatial information. The methods we are using a normalized difference vegetation index, which is NDVI, and also we are using NDVI time series. After that, we run our model, which is random forest classification to classify the region on the land surface. Let's give a floor to my teammate to continue about the presentation.
Thank you, Jeannine. According to the steps to follow, we are going first of all to create our area of interest. After create that area, we are going to collect the data from that area, apply the cloud mask to prepare the image for pre-processing, create the composition and calculate our NDVI. After that, we flatten the composition and run our random forest classification to get the output. We are using remote sensing, which is a technique to use to collect the data from the hair without taking any physical sample on the hair surface. The first requirement of remote sensing is energy source, which provide an electromagnetic energy to the target interest, which is the ground, and the target interest will transmitted that energy to the sensor. The recorded energy from the sensor will be transmitted to the station for processing, where the data are processed into an image. The processed image will be interpreted, visualized, and in order to extract information from the target. And the last step is to use that information to do some application. We are using land surface, and land surface here we need to know some vegetation index. And to do that, we need to calculate the NDVI, which is normalized difference vegetation index. That is the formula. Is vary between -1 to 1. And negative value NDVI is no vegetation. Zero value NDVI is bar area, and low vegetation, moderate vegetation, and higher vegetation are 0.1, 0.4 R, and more than 0.4 value NDVI. Once we get this is static, we need to know the variation of this NDVI value over a time. That's why we come with time series NDVI, which is the first tool. In order to understand this graph, we need to do some analysis like trend and seasonality. The goal of trend here is to show us if there is an increasing or decreasing NDVI value. And the goal of seasonality is to see if there is a certain periodicity over a year. Once we have the increasing trend NDVI value, it means that it's a growing period of crop. But if that value is more than 6, it means that it's dense vegetation. It can be a crop at maturity or a forest. In order to better understand this, we run our random forest model with a data set containing 18 classes, which is we are water, forest, cropland, urban. We got an accuracy for trend over 97% and for test over 96%. This work can help the company to know exactly the location of the area in the target country, and the company can be focused on the growing area of tobacco in order to help those farmers. Thank you.